enjoying a wonderful day today. Sunshine has been in abundance. Temperatures have been warm. Humidity hasn't been bad. Makes for a pretty good combination. That is your typical July afternoon as we look out with our Kentucky One Health weather bug camera. This one's located at the Lexington Center. And that one you see there. There you go. And you see, I mean, everything is still green and lush. And we've got a couple of dry days coming, which actually coincide with your weekend. Looking at next week, there looks to be a lot of water coming our way. A little water out there this afternoon. You've got a couple little showers eastern, northeastern Kentucky. You've got a few west of I-65. You see these guys, they're open to Lewis County down to Rowan County. There may be a couple of more that try and pop up. They last a couple of minutes, and that's about it. You can see the movement of these from northwest to southeast. So, late week, it's a nice little front coming through that sets up a weekend. Where was this weather for the Barbasol? Boy, they would have killed for this. By the way, we're going to give you a reason to look up here in a couple of minutes. The moon and the planets putting on a show. You are talking a normal high of 86. We stay there for about another 3 weeks. Upper 80s today, upper 80s again tomorrow. Then we start trying to cool things off. By the time we get to next week, we're looking at 70s again. 86 at the Bluegrass Airport. Northwest wind to 10, gusting to 21. So it does get your attention out there. But look at that dew point. That's when it's comfortable. And actually, the heat index lower than the thermometer. So that's a good thing for you. Mid-80s most places here is with the 5 o'clock hour. We've got an 84 coming out of Somerset, Richmond, and Danville. 84 Mount Sterling and Flemingsburg. Jackson had a little shower nearby, knocked the temperature back down to around 80. The flooding continues in the mid-Atlantic. It's just a feed of moisture coming up from the tropics, and it hasn't gone anywhere. There are some places there that are approaching a foot of rain and more. For us, it's a little smattering of showers. There's a thunderstorm watch up way to our north and west. So let's go to our future track here and look at the clouds tomorrow. We have some low clouds exiting out early. Most of the morning should see sunshine. These clouds will arrive then during the afternoon and start to thicken those up for you. So here you go. Cool front passing through tonight. That's why things have dried out nicely. But it's not the last cold front. Here comes the next one in line. As we work into the day tomorrow, it stays up to our northwest. We stay dry and enjoy a terrific day. Front moves into the area Friday morning, a few showers associated with it as it pushes through the area by Friday afternoon. That high pressure comes in. That is your weekend. Why should you be looking up? Because the sky, there is a show. Now, we've got a growing moon out there for us the next couple of nights, but just to the left of the moon, it's big, it's bright, it's red, you can't miss it. The planet Mars making its closest approach in 15 years. It is brighter than the planet Jupiter, which sits to the right of the moon. So again, and if you don't see it tonight, you got plenty of time. But just if you get a chance to look up, do so. With a mainly clear sky tonight, I recommend it. We're talking about temperatures in the upper 60s. It's upper 80s tomorrow, morning sun giving way to some afternoon clouds, but really about normal for July in terms of the heat and the humidity. By Friday, there's at least an isolated thunder shower chance as we wrap up Lemonade Days. Lakeside Live looks terrific on Saturday and Friday night as well. And your weekend, look at that weekend. Where was that last weekend?
Don't look any further.
Yeah. But honestly, yeah, it's almost cruel to see that and be like, but last weekend for the Barbasol, it was not like that.
That's why everybody comes back next year because we can try again.
That's right. Yeah. We're going to get it this time. We are. Bill, thank you very much.